setting up graphs in FarmManager. Starting from the main menu of FarmManager, make sure Control Units is selected in the left icon bar. Then press Graphs. To create a new graph, click on the button with the green plus on the icon bar in the top left corner of the screen. The graph wizard will start with the first definition screen. A list of available sample tasks will show. By selecting a sample task, you select a specific set of data collected from one of your controls to be seen in the new graph. Tick the box or boxes with the sample tasks that you want as input for your new graph. Click Next. The next definition screen will appear and ask for the specific data fields you want to use in your new graph. Tick the field to be shown in your graph. Click Next. The next definition screen will appear and ask for a name for your new graph. Enter a comprehensive name for your graph. Click Finish. The graph definition will be saved and will now be shown in the list box underneath the farm structure. By clicking the new graph, it will show. Note, if an existing sample task is selected that has already collected data during a certain period, historical data will be shown in the graph. If just before creating graph, a new sample task has been created, there will be no or very little data to show, and your graph will be blank. Modifying an existing graph. Select a graph in the list box, press Edit Graph, the wand icon in the icon bar at the top of the screen. The graph wizard will pop up again and you will be able to change the settings. Deleting an existing graph. Select a graph in the list box. Press Delete, red cross icon in the icon bar at the top of the screen.